everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time for a Walgreens haul. Now this week is super slow, and I did do some deals that expired today on Sunday, so you guys will definitely want to get to a Walgreens if you guys can do this deal and do this deal. The coupons expired today, and there's apps that expired today too. But right now, the reason why I'm kind of late posting this video is it's snowing outside. We're supposed to get snow for the next day and a half. It's ridiculous. We went, and I did make a family vlog, but we did go to a hotel yesterday. My in-laws had us go to a hotel, and the hotel had like a little water park inside, so we just thought we needed some kind of a vacation to get out of the house and do stuff, so that's what we did. So I made a little family vlog. I will be posting that very soon to show you guys what we did, but Benjamin had a good time because they had a water slide, so he was just having the time of his life. What did I say? Go back upstairs. So I will be doing that. But then when we were heading home, I had tickets that I wanted to go to this baby expo, which was a complete waste of time. I mean, it's a freaking snowstorm outside. There's cars, like, we saw tons of cars stuck in the ditch or on the median and everything, but we're like, okay, we're on this side of town because it was on the other side of town. We'll just go. So I got some stuff, but otherwise it was dumb. It was a waste of time. And they were charging $18 a person for this expo. And I'm like, are you kidding me? $18 a person. Parking was $7. I would have not have spent a dime, but I won the ticket, so. But enough with me chit-chatting. A lot of you guys are excited to see what we got at Walgreens. Now, I didn't go to the Walgreens that I went to last week. And the reason is because I am not going to CVS today. I might go later this week. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's not really worth driving in a snowstorm for the stuff that I get over and over again. So we will see about that. But I didn't get to talk to the manager about my points. Now, I did find out that Walgreens all throughout the whole United States was having points problems last week. So the manager, I don't know if he was just lazy or not. I don't think he was. He knew that there was a problem. But the fact that he didn't write down the points that he was supposed to give me is what my problem was. So what you guys saw me do is I made a video of how to contact the Catalina company, which I think is stupid. I mean, it's not my fault that the Walgreens is having problems, but I did a video of how to submit something to the Catalina company. Now, a lot of you guys say it takes like a week or something to get there. I don't know what day I did it, but we will see. If I don't hear back from them later this week, I might stop at that Walgreens and tell them either they have to give me the points or I will return the product. So that is the outcome for that. So we'll see about that. But you guys are like, shut up already. Let's just start doing the video. So I ended up getting the Palmolive soap. Now there is a digital coupon for 50 cents off of this little guy. So you guys would end up getting this for just 49 cents, which is a pretty good price if you guys are interested in soap. You can only get one, but hey, you know what? Can't complain for a 50-cent bottle of soap. So we got that. Now, I ended up doing the dime tap. Now, those coupons we got last Sunday, but they expired this Sunday. So if you guys are doing this deal, you have to do it today, as in February 17th, okay? There is a digital coupon if you guys don't have the paper coupons, but I would definitely do this. So my store used to have these for $5.99, but they went up to $6.29. So your stores might vary. But we're just gonna do $5.99, or we're just gonna do the $6.29 price. Oh, I'm out of breath because I'm talking too much. But you guys want to use a $3 off coupon that we got in this past Sunday's paper. Now, please keep in mind, most of you guys know this, we don't have papers today, but this was last Sunday's paper. Plus, there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys want to use that coupon. You guys would end up paying $2.29 for this bad boy. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. And you guys can also submit a $3 rebate on Saving Star. Now, this $3 rebate on Saving Star ends today. So make sure you guys, if you had that clipped to your card, make sure you, do that deal. So that's $5 you guys get for free. So this ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. Now that's only if you guys buy one, okay? So what I ended up doing is I bought 4 of them because without the Savings Star deal, 4 of them, because you can use 4 of those coupons. Without the Savings Star deal, you guys end up get $6.29. You get $4 off, making it $2.29. You guys can submit it to Ibotta, making it $2. So this come out to be 29 cents, which is still a really good deal. So if you guys have the Savings Star deal, it comes out to be $2.71 Moneymaker. If you don't have the Savings Star deal, it comes out to be just 29 cents. And I think that is still a pretty good deal. So I got 2 of the cough and cold, and then I got the nighttime cold and congestion. My son has a hard time sometimes breathing, so these are perfect for him. And they did have a $1 off coupon, but if you guys want to use that $1 off coupon, go for it, but that doesn't expire for a while. The next deal that I did a lot on, did I not put the other one in the box, is the Advil deal, okay? Now this deal also ends today, also the 17th, okay? So I got 4 of them because this is a super good deal. So these are $5.99. You guys use that $3 off coupon that we got in last Sunday's paper. Again, it expires today. Now there is a digital coupon if you guys have that. You guys would just pay $2.99 for all 4 of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta and a $3 rebate on Savings Star, making it a $2.01 moneymaker. Now if you guys don't have the Savings Star deal on your app, then it ends up becoming just 99 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. No, now my cat's down here crying. But 99 cents I think for these are super good. And my husband actually likes taking these, you know, when he's all congested up. And, you know, when you live in Wisconsin, you're always sick. It just never stops. Will you stop eating a little stinker? Thank you, Paris. So, had to get those. You know, remember to get out and do those deals if you guys can. I'm sorry for posting this video late. The next deal I got is the Walgreens Nice Brand aluminum foil. Now these are regular price, I think $1.99. There's nothing tagged at the store, but in the Walgreens ad there is a to make them 99 cents. It's not a coupon, it's just a coupon to make them 99 cents. Now you guys can have them scan the ad at the store, you can cut the coupon out at the store, or you can just clip it to your card and it'll take off. But I think it's like a limit of 4. But we really like this aluminum foil. You get 25 square feet of aluminum foil. We use this all the time. Haven't had a problem with it. It's a great price. You know, aluminum foil is aluminum foil. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents if you're interested in that. So we got that. My husband uses aluminum foil like crazy. And I did the Super Crayon deal. I'm going to keep doing this until Ibotta doesn't reset it anymore. Usually Ibotta resets it about 5 times. What they do with Ibotta is they have like an item that has like maybe 5,000 redemptions on it. And the reason why it keeps resetting is because not everybody did the redemption. So that's why it keeps resetting. That's why you see some stuff reset and some stuff don't, because certain items have a limit, and certain items, you know, they let you keep doing it. So, but you can do these deals up to 5 different times if it keeps resetting it. So, Super Crayon. These are $3.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons in coupons.com. Now, if you guys don't have those coupons, there is $1. There's just one $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens website if you guys want to clip that. But with the $2 coupons, you guys would pay $3.98. You guys can get or submit $1 times 2 on Ibotta So that's $2, plus you guys will get 1,000 points. And this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So you guys will get this for just 98 cents. That's like 49 cents a piece. And one of my friends said this is really good. She loved it. So I will have to try it because I don't have a problem with cranberry and I'm obsessed with chapstick. So definitely wanted to do that deal. I think I can do that deal possibly one more time. And then I am booked on doing those deals. So, Scotland. And then I was gonna do the Bic deal. Now there's the Bic razors where they're $3.99. They're buy one get one 50% off. There's a $3 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would end up paying $2.99 for 2 of them. But then you get 3,000 points, making it a 1-cent moneymaker. At my store was sold out of the razors, so I wasn't able to do that. So when I go back, if I go back, I might do that deal. And then the Kellogg's cereal is on sale, and there's a 50-cent off digital coupon. And there are some with apps, but my store that I don't shop at usually on Sundays is a smaller store, so they didn't have very much Kellogg's with anything with the app, so I didn't do that. Here is the Revlon eyeshadow. These were $6.20. No. Well, that's the dime tap. These are $8.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons that are on coupons.com that we got, that are printables that we just got the other day. There's also a 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. Now, I scanned these items and the Walgreens booklet coupon did not pop on when I scanned the items, but they did come off when I scanned the book anyways. So, it's kind of tricky, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. But you guys would pay $4.73 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 and a $2 rebate on Ibotta. A lot of good rebates on Ibotta this week. I think it's going to be an awesome week with Ibotta. But you guys would get $4 back, making both of these for 73 cents, and I think it's a pretty good deal. The color I got is Black Magic and Precious Metals, so got those. So, yeah, and that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I did multiple transactions, and the reason is because I don't like paying so much out of pocket. I'm really hoping they're changing their point system soon, but it might take a while before they do. So, you just have to bear with it. Just keep doing your surveys. Just keep doing those surveys. So my total between the 3 transactions that I did came to $20.84. Now keep in mind that I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company. So the price I give you guys is my employee discount price, but everybody pays differently out of pocket. So if you guys have registry rewards, you can use those. So just giving you guys a heads up. But yeah, $20.84 is what my total came out to be. But I got $22 back with Ibotta. $22. That is awesome. That's not the most I've ever gotten back in one transaction. But I ended up getting $8 back for the dime tap because I bought 4 of them. So you could do that deal 5 times in one transaction. But the coupon you can only do 4 times. I got $8 back for the Advil. I got $4 back for the Revlon. That was 2 of the Revlons. And then I also got $2 back for the Carmex. So $22 back. And I made my money, so that is awesome. I ended up getting $1,000 worth of points. That was just for the Carmex. And then with Saving Star, I'll be getting I'm out of breath all of a sudden. I'll be getting $6 back, and that was for the dime tap and the Advil. So definitely get out if you guys can and do those deals because that is an awesome deal. So my grand total that I made was $8.16 moneymaker. I made an $8 profit. That is awesome. I haven't seen a profit like that in forever. But this week is a pretty good week with Ibotta. I'm excited to share with you guys what we can find at Walmart. So just wanted to share with you guys what I got. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm hoping next week is a lot better of a couponing haul, but I did get some pretty good stuff. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoy your day and see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.